piece of equipment I would not do without would be this 5-stage water filter system. Here I am again in my garden. It's dark. Welcome to the Golden Nugget Tips by Lynn. We're here today to talk about water. Water is such an important element in the kitchen and the bathrooms that we create. One of the things that uses water is the steamer, and I would highly recommend the steamer. I have one myself, and I would not do any kitchen for myself without it. It creates so much diversity in my cooking. It makes my potatoes amazing. It cooks fish. Just comes out perfect, not too dry, not too moist. I can layer things, like I could put the onions in first and then take it out in a small dish. I'm not creating a bunch of pans that I need to clean later. So it is just an amazing item, and I would highly recommend that in your kitchen as we design them. Another piece of equipment I would not do without would be this 5-stage water filter system. This goes into the whole house, into your kitchen, into your bathroom. It helps to save the pipes, because the pinholes that are created by the toxins in the water will create damage and floods and things like that. Our homes have even become more of a key to our lives, with health being so important. The whole house water filter system really keys into that. It creates the good tasting water in every faucet that we drink from. It creates the shower head concept where there's not chlorine coming into the steam, which is really bad for the thyroid in women especially. The washing of the shower doors are a lot easier with the whole house water filter system, because you don't have the hard water that stays on the glass, so it's going to be easier to clean. Whole house water filter system is really the way to go for health and wellness, and being able to even clean your vegetables. This is another device I would not do without. It's called the water off system. I put them in most of the homes in the desert here. Most of our clients go away and they need to be able to turn off the water. There is a system in the garage that's connected to this on and off switch. All you need to do is touch it. It turns off all the water in every part of the house. This is very, very cheap insurance. It enables you to not come home to a flooded home. So that wraps up my Golden Nugget tips for you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and see you next time. Yours truly,